Good evening and welcome to Daybreak Warriors Navajo Word of the Day. So since I'm a little under the weather today, I'm not feeling too well, today's Navajo Word of the Day is I am sick. So to say that in Navajo you would say Shitah honeezgai, Shitah honeezgai, which means I'm sick, Shitah honeezgai. And again, with Navajo there's more than one way to say something. You can also say Shitah honiigai, Shitah honiigai, which means I got sick. Shitah honiigai. How it breaks down is Shitah is my body, Shitah, and nezgai is like pain, like that's what the word means, nezgai. It hurts, pain. But to say it in Navajo, Shitah nezgai means I am sick. You can also say Dikos shidoolna, which means I caught the cold. Dikos shidoolna. Dikos means cough. Shidoolna means I got infected with it. Dikos shidoolna. Dikos shidoolna. I got the cold, or I caught a cold. And those are tonight's Navajo words of the day. So I hope you enjoy that. And if you guys aren't feeling too well, you can start using those phrases. Shitah honeezgai for I'm sick. Shitah honiigai. I got sick, or Dikos shidoolna. I caught the cold. So those are today's phrases for the evening. Have a good evening.